Hey everyone, welcome to our evaluation of the Roborock Qrevo Master, a cutting-edge robot vacuum cleaner that merits greater recognition. With a number of significant improvements, this model, which was released in 2024, expands on the Qrevo Max V's advantages while further improving convenience and cleaning. Before we move on to the real performance tests, let's test the specifics, beginning with design, functionality, and navigation. Based on my practical testing, I'll list the benefits and drawbacks so you can determine if this is the best vacuum for your house. The Qrevo Master, which comes in sleek black or white, is 103 millimeters tall and circular, making it small enough to fit under most furniture. It features two silicone turbo brushes, like those in the S8 range, and has a 3-beam retractable side brush for thorough edge cleaning. Additionally, these brushes have edge-cutting technology to keep hair from tangling, which is a big plus for pet-owning households. For accurate navigation, the Qrevo Master combines LiDAR and cameras. After mapping the space, it carefully cleans every part of it, zigzagging for optimal coverage. The vacuum can distinguish a variety of things, such as wires, shoes, and furniture legs, and may change its course as necessary. Additionally, the vacuum has a remote monitoring capability that lets you use a smartphone app to keep an eye on your house. When you're not there, this feature is particularly helpful for tracking the cleaning process. It's simple to connect the Qrevo Master, but be aware that in order to enable pairing, you will need to register a new account with a different region if the app is configured for a Russian one. Control over settings, cleaning schedules, and even voice commands through Roborock's in-house assistant, Roki, are all possible through the app's intuitive interface. The Qrevo Master was able to successfully maneuver around rooms with obstructions, identifying and navigating around ordinary household objects while carefully avoiding sensitive items. Although there is potential for improvement in total darkness when some smaller items were overlooked, it also performed well in low-light tests. One major benefit, especially in houses with mixed flooring, is its capacity to detect carpets and raise its mop pads. In all modes, the suction power of the vacuum was impressive. It outperformed some more expensive models, lifting trash from gaps as deep as 6 millimeters while operating at maximum power. However, because the retractable side brush didn't always remain in place long enough to completely sweep edges, corner cleaning may be improved. One notable feature is the mop washing self-cleaning station, which has a detachable tray for simple upkeep. The station automatically scrapes dirt off the mops and boils water to 60 degrees Celsius for mop washing. Furthermore, mops maintain their odor-free quality thanks to a 45 degrees Celsius drying feature. The large capacities of the clean and dirty water tanks lessen the need for frequent hand emptying and refilling. The Qrevo Master successfully recognized and avoided common obstacles in well-lit environments. However, recognition was unable to function properly in total darkness. Although it occasionally brushed across smaller objects like toys and sneakers, it worked best when it came into contact with huge objects. Overall, the recognition was dependable under normal lighting conditions. However, Roborock engineers could do better. All things considered, the Roborock Qrevo Master is a powerful, cutting-edge vacuum cleaner with noteworthy upgrades that are definitely worth taking into account. It is a strong competitor in the market for robot vacuums thanks to its high suction, clever navigation, and sophisticated self-cleaning. The Qrevo Master's overall performance and usefulness are remarkable, despite the fact that several features, like the side brush and object detection, might use minor adjustments. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.